Hey guys. Whew, I'm just taking a little break. Some just said get out in nature today. And I did just that. It's getting ready to rain and all that. And I'm still out here. It feels so good. You see the sun just, oh, the universe. God knew what I needed today. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all, believe it or not, the energy come from the sun. I love soaking it in. Give it to me. Put that energy in me, baby. That's why I tell people be careful with me. Hey, baby, me. Have a good day, you guys.